Welcome guys and welcome to my channel. This is the Union Pacific Griffin, Matthew Harris. How you doing guys? It's been a while. It's beautiful day to get adventure outside. A little bit warm. And how's your Thanksgiving week going? It's going good? Well, mine is going great. And look at all these leaves and it's like gone. All this and all the leaves is on the ground. See it? Well, I haven't talked to you. Well, I did a little bit. Um, I got home and I got really late. Uh, just walking around, talking to you guys, adventures, and then missing that. I miss you guys. It's beautiful outside. I wanted to tell you something about the Welch, Oklahoma. What I'm fan over there. Because when I started, when I first started, since I was like a teen, since in 2016, I was in high school, as a senior. My mom took me on Saturday. We had to head home on Sunday because when we didn't stay really long because we had to get home. And that's why I didn't say. Well, no, well. Let me start over. Okay. On 2016, I have my old camera. Mom used to have HD, the blue one. In Welch, Oklahoma. I stayed in there. I stayed in that the one night in Welch, Oklahoma. 2016. And that's when I first started at. We didn't stay really long. I had to stay in one night. I can't come back on Sunday because I was talking to mom about to go to see Papa again. All of a sudden, I heard SD70M, a southbound freight train, the Union Pacific, heading south. And it was like a nighttime because I didn't. It was like a fall. It's blurry. I didn't click it on that too clear. The two flowers, the focus on the camera. But so this and that. It's just looking around you. Yeah, you guys, it's so nice and pretty. Your sky to turn blue. This is nice, huh? And and also on Sunday morning, I had to get up and we are about to head home because when mom and I started packing up. This is a Union Pacific coal train, K3LA AC44CCW, and I didn't put on the focus again. But two flowers and the clear. How you like my shirt? It's fancy, isn't it? This is Branson, Missouri. Well, my girlfriend Melissa, they got that for me, or bought that for me. I love trains. You ever see the ascender, the smoke coming out of it? We hear there's train cars and everything. It's so honored. So I can see ya. Yeah. I can see you guys way up here, up the sky. See. Cool. And Welch, it's a small town, Oklahoma, Craig County, the close by, Blue Jacket, Oklahoma, and Vedita, Oklahoma. Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah. And also, I trimmed my mustache was right here. It's getting to my lip and inside my mouth. And this and that. This is all I have to say. Are you ready for Christmas today? And Zootopia #2 is finally out, but we haven't seen it. I haven't seen it. I want to go there badly, but my friend of mine is from the church, and Elijah, I don't want to make any noises. We have a good time. Uh, Let's sing it. It's not gonna work. One second, guys. If you can see me now. But I was saying that I was saying is Welch, Oklahoma is a small town of Oklahoma, and this is where the started from in 2016 when the Union Pacific coal train southbound, and on 2017 I was graduated. I have my old camera with me, and yep, the papa my grandfather lives in Wells, Oklahoma. It's the best place to rail fan over there. But when people keep on asking me about when you go to film trains at, I said I don't know. wait till to see the this weather warms up next year. Hopefully, and hopefully I could do that. And also, it's almost Christmas. How the Grands are so. Oh yeah, me and Jesse we're in town. There's the Granch. They're in Greenland, next to Tubbo's and next to McDonald's. And then also back to what I was talking about that. On the 2021 October 30th Saturday, I walked down there. It was hot back then. I got sunburned on the back of my hand, and then also the freight trains and freight train the freight train and coal train only come through southbound and Welch. They don't carry the container like a BNSF does. BNSF and the Burlington Northern Santa Fe built in 1995 when the Union Pacific in 1862. And that's why the Union Pacific is my first favorite railroad ever. My good friend of mine, his name is Joseph. He's in a train in there. And he's the one that he bought me a Christmas gift about and gave me some a Union Pacific train shirt and the other shirt inside, and I hope you guys will give me like a Union Pacific railroad, you know, what or the books and I can learn about that at UP Railroad. But the second railroad is my favorite. It's the Arkansas and Missouri Railroad, A&M, and that's why. And this is why that I liked it, and this is what I do. I'm a rail fan of trains, and this is what I do. And also I was downtown. Well, and I was downtown Winslow, and I had my earplugs with me. Here comes the train, and I was on the other side, that a pavilion. That train horn to scare me. I was holding my old phone, and I had a green highlight app. It's on the camera, and also here comes the train. And here comes the headlights. Here's K5H, no, K5LLA, and that's a killer horn, a powerful horn. And yeah, and that's why it's my favorite. The Frisco Railroad used to be the 1970s when the steam trains, and they're still the steam train is still at the Fort Smith. So yeah. It's still recording. I mean, not recording. Down south, and they're in the Fort Smith. I went to their trolley museum. That's why I want to go there the next year. And, I'm going to take you guys someday next year, hopefully soon. And I am going from there. So in the meantime, one of these days, I'm going to take you guys downtown Winslow. Take a look around, and to see what I missed. And I do miss in downtown Winslow, and all these railroads, the trains, and I watched it a live stream trains in near in Houston, Texas. Yeah, you know where UP railroads and all that, and KCS, the KCSM. KCS means in Kansas City, Southern Mexico. Those are the Mexicans, the railroads down there. But but I could have take a plane, but no, I'm not. I'm not to take a plane. I'm afraid of heights. I don't like a plane. Because I like to ride the car all the way to the down south or Oklahoma. Over there, over there is southbound. That's if you could go to the Oklahoma, Dora over there, or north, you can go to the Welch. That the Welch is that way. And I don't know what's in California it takes or something. It a lot of rail fans and a lot of rail fans, you guys. Okay, better. I was saying this, and there's a lot of rail fans. There's a closer train track, and while the trains going by, because a lot of people thinks that I want you to film the film trains and the closer to the train track. It's cool, but I just don't like it when the trains and honking at honking at you. They say that they keep on saying that you're trespassing on the railroad property. I remember I got trouble because one of those security guys I got trouble by them, and it said I was it's in Van Buren, okay. I was started first over there, but because that all this crap, I don't know. I was walking side. I was walking side of that GP railroad. The guy said, "Hey, sir, you own the property?" I was turning around. I said, "Oh crap!" I told him to apologize and not do it again. And I told the guy, I said, how you do them, and how you do them, how I'm going to film trains. He said, well, you can't go to the bridge to trade. You can't come down here. I don't want you to get all caught all this chicken plant. I don't want the cops and arrest me. They gave me trouble. My battery is almost dead, but I have to change my battery. So I keep it charged to you guys. Give a shout out to Jesse Harris and my brother Lindsay, my sister, and my family. And I give a shout out. And to give a shout out to Judy and Nick. Those are in Zootopia. Gave them to them. I will see you guys on the YouTube. Alright, YouTube friends. Have a good day.